again, everyone, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Once you disembark, you're not able to come back